Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and we are going to be planning today in my everyday planner, which is my home planner. I wouldn't say catch-all. It can sometimes be a catch-all, but mostly home and everyday planner. So this cover was gifted to me in Happy Mail. It is a Carpe Diem A5 cover. I replaced the inserts that were in here with inserts from my shop and from my Patreon. So let's get started. I haven't really finished setting up or anything like that as far as decorating, but I have actually been using it. So this is last week, and now I'm moving on to the week of the 11th through the 17th of January. So I know I said I was going to be doing B6 for the challenge. I think I'm going to hold off on moving into the B6 for the Scrapcraftastic weekly challenges. So the prompt for this week is words and phrases. And I kind of felt like I should do something related to what's going on in the world right now, mainly the United States. But I decided against that for this. I may do some kind of art journal, something with that, but for this I'm gonna just keep it, I don't know, not so deep. Okay, so I have the Gold Star Quotes book from 2017 by the Happy Planner, and it has lots of quotes in it. And really, when I thought of this prompt, I thought of the word of the year, but I don't think I'm doing that this year. I did it last year and I didn't even use the word. So I even had it hand lettered for myself and I never even used it. So I haven't made any appointments yet, but I think I'm going to be making some appointments for next week. But I want to use this sticker. And it says, "Everything you can imagine is real" by Pablo Picasso. And since I do art, I thought that that would be a good one, and I've taken art history several times, so I like that quote. And then is this gold just gold? Oh, it's got the check mark on it, but I'm going to use that. Oops, I'm going to come down a little bit on Monday. Then this is another one. It says, "New year, new month, new day, new beginning, new mindset, new start, new intentions, new results, new you." So I'm going to put that on Monday towards the bottom. I know we're well into the new year, but that one kind of spoke to me, so I want to use it. And I don't know, I think I'm more drawn to the black. Okay, so I may come back to this. Now I'm going to go to 1, 2, 3, 4. This is one of the old, as you can see, it's kind of beat up where I put my label on there. This is pretty old, from 2016. And this is, I think that was one of the ones I wanted to use. "Be so good they can't ignore you." That was a quote by Steve Martin. But I also want to use that "grateful." Oh, let me let you see what I'm looking at. I've put a good dent into this. So I think I want to use this happy, like right here. I like this "do all the things," but it's a circle. Ugh. Let's see if I can use this weekend. Okay, this is the one I wanted to use. think the weekend needs to go. Hopefully I can take that back. I don't really like the way it's looking. I need to get me some more undo. Yeah, that looks better without that. Let's see if I can find where it goes. Okay, that tore a little bit, but it can still be used. Now let me see if I can find some. Well, I'm just gonna put it right here. Okay, so I think that's enough. And I probably should have cut that gold check mark off, but I'm gonna keep going. So since it is on the side of black and white right now, I can make it any color I want. So I have these dolls. I think I like her. She's just kind of big. Let me see if I have a smaller version of her. So this is a sticker flake from Fabulously Creative. And I'll have all the information to the shop in the description box below. And I will also include my code. So let's see what we can find. I see some smaller ones, but I want one a little bit bigger than those. I think she's better. Yeah. So I'm gonna set this one back aside. Well, I guess I'll put her back. Let's see. So she can go here. And I kind of like that she does them in sticker flakes because that makes it easy for me to lay them out and see what I'm working with. So I'm just looking at some washi tapes that I had over off to the side that really would work with her, but that I don't really feel inspired to use. So let me see what other washi tape I can find that I like that would work. Okay, so these can go to the side. I want to use these. These are from Simply Gilded. So let's put these in the bottom. Let's see. I don't know that I like it going all the way to the edge either. This is the Stardust washi from, should I do it there or up here? Let's go up here. Okay, I think I like that together. And then, let's see, I'm gonna put some right here. No, I'm not. So then, do I have anything to go here? And I don't want anything, I want to keep it light and airy up at the top. Let's see how it looks. Okay, I think that'll work. All right, I think that looks pretty good. Flows pretty good, even though I got my papers all wrinkled up. So then I also have some light pink florals from the seasonal page that I think I want to use on here. Here they are. And I will put all the information for the seasonal pages in the description box below, along with my discount code. So let's go ahead and put her down. Now, I don't know. I think that's how she's supposed to go. Let's get out some of my other word stickers. I'm almost finished with this sheet of to-dos, but I'm gonna do a to-do sticker from Piper Paper Company, and the website is piperpapercompany.com. Oh no, I think it's shoppiperpapercompany.com. I'm gonna check out some words from here. Okay, yeah, we got lots of birthdays in my family this week. So we got a happy birthday. Right here. We got a happy birthday. Right there. Then we got one right here. So growing up, I was the only Sagittarius and everybody else in my immediate family was Capricorn. And then I have one Capricorn now. So I think we have a cold front coming in because I kind of know that it's supposed to get cold. I just can't remember what day it is supposed to get cold. But it might start tonight because the wind out is really blowing, and that's usually what happens before we have a nice little cold front, cold for us. I have not been doing well with my exercise, riding my bike. And the main reason is because of the seat. It's tough. So, but I'm gonna put it down. Gotta keep trying. I'm almost willing to go walk around the neighborhood again and suffer from the allergies than ride that bike. But maybe I just need to toughen up. So I think I put down everything. I've left myself very little room to write, but I have a little bit. And now let's do some of these florals. This one I'm not gonna cut. This one I'm going to cut. Okay, I know that's a little sporadic maybe, but I think it's subtle. Now I wanted to use some leftover stickers from the jewel box kits that I've been using, because I thought the little diamond checklist would be perfect on this. So I'm back in here and I have the jewel box stuff here in the back. So like here, I think it's gonna be a chamomile tea night. I just feel like I want some of that. So I have the to-do, and I'm just gonna put this here. And I think I'm gonna put one on Thursday, because I've noticed that I tend to start making lists on Thursdays. Maybe I'll put one on Friday too. Oop. Let's do this. Okay. Now let's put this down. Okay, so I think that is it for this week's spread. Again, the prompt was words and phrases. Let's pop this in and see what we've got. I like this. I'm happy with this. I can already tell. Yep, I like that. Okay. So all the information will be in the description box below for the items that I used that were not Happy Planner. And I did give you the information for which Happy Planner sticker books I used. So that's going to be it for this week's spread. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.